How to get rid of stress. A quick guide. Stress. It's a part of life. Whether it comes from work, family, relationships, or money, stress shows up. And while a little stress can push us to grow, too much of it, it wears us down. Physically, mentally, even emotionally. Left unchecked, chronic stress can lead to things like tension headaches, burnout, and emotional exhaustion. But here's the good news. You don't have to let stress control your day. There are daily strategies you can use to take charge. Starting with your mind. Step 1. Reframe the way you think. Stress doesn't start with what happens to us. It starts with how we perceive what happens. Your brain reacts to a life-threatening danger the same way it reacts to a traffic jam or a looming deadline. The body tenses, the heart races, the stress alarm goes off. But here's the catch. Not all of these alarms are necessary. Sometimes it's our own thoughts that trigger the storm. Step 2. Spot stress creating thought patterns. Are your thoughts feeding your stress? Look out for patterns like, I should, or I must. High pressure, unrealistic rules we place on ourselves. Catastrophizing, turning small setbacks into worst-case scenarios. All or nothing thinking, seeing everything as either success or failure. What if? Spirals, stressing over things that haven't even happened. These are mental habits. And like any habit, they can be changed. Step 3. Shift your perspective. Let's say your thought is, I'll never finish this in time. Try flipping it. If I stay focused and pace myself, I can get this done. Every time you reframe a negative thought, you're not just changing how you feel. You're literally rewiring your brain to respond better in the future. Step 4. Challenge your thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true? If you're convinced your boss is mad because you were late twice, take a step back and assess the facts. What evidence supports that thought? What evidence goes against it? Seeing things clearly helps you respond instead of react. Step 5. Journal your stress away. When your mind feels crowded with stress, grab a notebook. Write freely. Dump your thoughts, your worries, your emotions. No filter, no judgment. Your journal is your private space to release what's heavy. Once it's on paper, it's not stuck in your head. Journaling also helps you clarify your problems, organize your thoughts, and even come up with new solutions. Final thought. You may not be able to avoid every stressful situation, but you can train your brain to handle stress in healthier ways. By becoming aware, staying curious, and choosing to respond instead of react. Because every time you calm your thoughts, challenge a worry, or write your feelings down, you're not just relieving stress, you're taking back control of your mind.
Grow your mind. Engineer your future with the Improve Lab.